Hi guys, you're welcome back to the CryptoNet channel, and today we're going to be talking about how you can install the Constellation Network wallet. Okay, Constellation Network wallet, it's can we say the blockchain? It's an hypergraph. Yeah, hypergraph. So hypergraph works in a similar way with the blockchain, but they are not exactly the same. Okay, so I think I'm gonna be making a video on that topic, like what's the difference between hypergraph and the blockchain. So Constellation Network is powered by hypergraph. Okay, it uses some level of cryptography, so that makes it a cryptocurrency. But an hypergraph is not necessarily a blockchain. Okay, so if you have a contrary opinion about this, you can let me know in the comment box. So that said, how do you install the wallet for this network? Of course, they have a wallet for Android, for iOS, for PC. They have a PC wallet. Okay, so now I'd like to go to the website, okay, that is indexed on the CoinMarketCap, because this prevents me from getting fished by other similar websites. So for that reasons, I went to CoinMarketCap and I searched for DAG, as you can see right here. So once you get to the CoinMarketCap, then go ahead and search for DAG, DAG. Okay, DAG coin. Okay, DAG. It's gonna bring this up, Constellation Dag. So click on it, and to take you to this page. Okay, to take you to this page that you are seeing. It's funny, about 3 billion has left the market in the last few hours. Awesome. Awesome. Crypto is crazy, man. So that said, now this is it. Then click on the links, the arrow icon, click on it. Okay, then you can go to the website from here. Yeah, this is a genuine website, constellationnetwork.io. So I'm going to scroll down. Okay, they have a green ecosystem. Ledger, United States of America military is using that technology. You have a Helium and some other key stakeholders. So go from layer 0 to 60. Yeah, film, just go like that. So they have a high transaction speed of over 80,000 transactions per second. Okay, that is uncommon. Yeah, that's uncommon because most blockchains don't have up to this transaction speed, and especially if they are layer 1. So we have 1.3 billion stake DAG. Okay, I'm not sure, there is no way to verify that actually. Over 300 validators, over 25,000 DAG wallets. Okay, and now we want to create our own wallets. All right, we are looking forward to creating our own wallet. Okay, so turn toys into tools for tomorrow. Start building and take back your data. You know, and they have some TED Talk, GeoJam updates. You know, HGTP, hypergraph technology. All right, so I want to go here and see if there are ways to have access to the wallet. Okay, because I've seen a couple of complaints like, oh, I've been able to buy some DAG from exchange. Now I'm finding it hard to create a wallet address for this so that I can keep it safely in my private wallet. Now don't worry, okay, your worries is over. All your worries are over. All right, so go to the ecosystem. This is the ecosystem. Okay, from the ecosystem, then you can have access to whatever things they have in their ecosystem. They have a DAG Explorer in the ecosystem. They have a Stargazer Wallet, okay, which is the official wallet. They have a door traffic miner, and the hardware miner that rewards you for collecting foot traffic data. All right, so they have a Constellation DeFi and node management platform. Okay, the lattice happens to be the exchange platform, like a DEX or an AMM. Okay, I think I've used that before. Okay, now I'm going to click on Stargazer Wallet. Okay, it will take me to a different platform. Can you see now? Now you have the option of downloading the wallet for iOS, or downloading the wallet for Chrome, or iOS rather, or Android or Chrome. Okay, so whichever one you think you're comfortable with, then you should go ahead and download it. Okay, so they don't have a wallet for MacBook. Okay, so for those MacBook users, then I'm sorry, there is no wallet for you at the moment. Okay, so however, you may decide to reach their support and maybe they can do something about it. Now, before we proceed on that, I want you guys to do something for me. Okay, I want you to subscribe to this channel on Telegram. I'm going to be providing a link to that in the comment box, and that will be pinned to the comment box, so you don't have to search for this comment for this. All right, so that said, let's go ahead and download the Android version of the wallet. Okay, we hope that it's going to be a light wallet. It's not going to be as a very heavy. Okay, that's even light. 16 MB is okay. So I'm going to click on install Stargazer Wallet. Okay, it is loading. Man, about 3 years ago, it was quite difficult to install their wallet on PC. Yeah, I think a lot of things has improved ever since then. Okay, because this project has been around for a while. Okay, they've been around for a while. Okay, it is downloading. Okay, I guess internet speed is not doing bad. Well, it could be faster anyways. Yeah, so now we have our Stargazer wallet. Okay, it is not Stargazer. If you like, you can call it Stargazer or Stargazer, whichever one you are comfortable with. Just make sure that you are downloading the right wallet. So I'm going to open the wallet now. Okay, then we're going to get started. Simple from recovery phrase. We don't have a recovery phrase. We want to create a new wallet. Okay, so enter 8 characters. Okay, let me say that would be something like, okay, I'm supposed to use a combination of upper, lower, number, special, Let's say star. Well, let me just go to Telegram and type it correctly. So you can just copy and paste. Let me say Stargazer, or let me use asterisk here. Asterisk, yeah. Then 2023. Let's see if this is gonna work. Let's see if it's gonna work. So I'm gonna copy this and I'll go to Stargazer, then I'll paste that password. Paste. So let's see if it's gonna accept it. So I'm gonna click on next. Yeah, successful. You can now see your balance, transaction history, send and receive Dag. Next. So let's create a recovery phrase. A recovery phrase is a series of 12 words in a specific order. The word combination is unique to your wallet. Make sure to have pen and paper ready so you can write it down. So I have a pen and paper right here. Okay, I have a pen and paper right here. So this is the wallet. And the reason I'm going to write this down is because they may later ask us to write it. So that is push, badge, rotate, visit. All right, tunnel, stuff, become, ladder, endless, happy. Are you happy today? I hope this market is making you happy. Okay, then urban. So I'm going to say yes, I've written it down. It says well done. To verify that you've written down your recovery phrase correctly, please enter it again in the next step. I know it's going to ask this question. That is typical of most wallets. So now the first one is push. Are you following me? Is push. The next one is badge. The next one is rotate. Where is it? Fine. Then visits. Next is tunnel. Next is stuff. Where is stuff? Next is become. Then ladder. No. We've made a mistake. No, you have to go back. Let's say ladder, endless, name, and urban. It's not going to accept it. Okay, because there's a problem. So we go back. Then let's do it. Okay, now it is generating a new set because we made a mistake earlier on. So it is generating a new combination. Yeah, a new combination for this wallet. So I'm going to write it down also. So the first one is become. Next is push. Next is badge. Then name. Then you have visit. We have happy. Are you guys happy today? I asked the same question earlier on. Tunnel, rotate. Are you ready to rotate for me? Urban, stuff, endless wealth, then ladder. So we go back again. Okay, then we'll try to verify this. Okay, so we have push first, then we have badge, then we have rotate. Where is it? Then we have visits. Then after visit we have tunnel, stuff, become, ladder, endless, happy, name, urban. That's correct. So we're going to validate this now. Then we've been able to successfully create a wallet address. So you should now have your recovery phrase and your wallet password written down for future reference. Man, guys, I don't need this. If you like, copy the recovery phrase and try and check if there's money inside it. I don't need it. Okay, this is a disposable wallet. Okay, and once I'm done with this tutorial, that is the end of the wallet. If you like, you can check it. You're not going to see anything inside it. So I'm going to click on next. All right, click on next. It should take us to the next page. But why is it taking so long? I don't know. But the wallet is ready. Yeah, ready. Yeah, Yaga. We are ready to have a wallet. We are ready to have a wallet. Okay, so it is loading. It is loading gradually. Okay, it is loading gradually. This is for those who would like to have access to a mobile wallet. Okay, create a mobile wallet and send their funds right there into that wallet. Wow. So the same wallet now, we can have a Akimin exchange token. Okay, we can have BNB in this wallet. We can have Ethereum, and we can have Constellation in the same wallet. Come on, where's Bitcoin? let me see if you can add Bitcoin to it. Let me search for Bitcoin. Where is it? BTC. Let me see if that's going to come up. Only wrapped Bitcoin that you can have right there. Oh, that's unfortunate, man. BTCST. Okay, wrapped BTC. You know, that's somehow. Okay, so you can have a real Bitcoin in there. So that's okay anyways. So we are here for Constellation. Just click on Constellation. Then if you want to receive, click on receive. Then copy this address. Then you are good to go. Yeah, you are good to go. Nobody should send money to this wallet actually. Nobody should scan this wallet and send money to it because it is a disposable wallet. So I'm going to delete this as soon as I'm done with this tutorial. Okay, so probably want to send coin to people. Okay, just come here and paste their Constellation address, amount, then the fee is almost zero, like zero fee. With current network condition, we recommend a fee of 0 DAG. All right, so this is one of the few blockchains in the world where you can send money for free. Okay, that's really awesome. So now, if you like this tutorial, okay, you like what I'm doing, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, make sure that you turn on notification bell, and make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Right now we have 330 subscribers, and we are looking forward to having thousands and thousands of subscribers in this channel, because when I make a video, you're going to be notified about it. And there are a lot of information that are insightful in the channel. You can see my trades. I've been shorting Gala on Binance consistently. So yesterday I told you guys that I have my eyes on Gala. Okay, I did some analysis, and I know the market is gonna dump. Okay, so I shorted it correctly, and I made good profit from that. Okay, so I did some analysis on gold, on Gala coin. This is the analysis on YouTube, as you can see. Okay, when you short Gala USDT and you take profit, it's triggered. So so if you really want to make reasonable progress in the crypto and block industry, I strongly recommend that you subscribe to the channel. Okay, if you're active on Telegram, especially, subscribe to the channel, because the link to join this channel is right there in the comment box. Okay, and even if you're not active on Telegram, for the sake of this channel, make sure that you download the Telegram app on Play Store or on iOS and join the channel right there. Okay, so that's it, guys, on how to um how to create a private wallet, a private wallet on the Constellation network. Okay, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope this is of great value to you. So bye for now, and have a great day.